Thank you, Doc.
45 is the lowest.
Yeah, I have.
1999 is when the audit was done on. They were evaluated and stated. But Wallace hasn't been doing this for 300 years.
This is early. I can't remember if it's a late house or early.
I don't think, I mean, that's the reason why this would be difficult. It's just so being outside. Just pass out, man. So that's why you come out. It's here. So if you're looking for designer, this is not the place to be. This is more like mid-tier.
It reminds me of a makeup bag.
Traditional vintage. Although my attitude is you can always find something somewhere, no matter where you are. You can always find something. You can always find something. No matter where you are, it's always worth a look. Look at this, for example.
This is his friend. Okay, this is friend. Happened to go to this house. The man was artist.
It's the color. It's all about the color.
Why you
Oh, all right. And it's in the 70s. Antien. They used to call it Agner. This is really cool, and it's signed. Roy Ball, somebody. Balkan. Really cute. There are a few things here. You just have to do a little digging. See how sweet that is. It looks so good on you.
That's pretty. That's very nice. It fits you well, and you have one of
I'm saying, is it worth it? I'm saying $130 to spend on a suede wrap today.
I don't have that thing. I'm going to send you a receipt. So that's money there. I'm here every week. Every week.
Elvis. Still a lot of Elvis fans. Well, that's it. Is that it? This is a tiny little market. This is tiny. You see these really big ones.
In the summer, it's hot even more. We never went in summer, so it was probably fall.
Yeah.
October, maybe?
Yeah, that's like a really nice time of year.
You see? Thank you. See you next week.
The designer. So lots of jewelry, the clothes, very few clothes. What they have is more traditional. Vintage, and no designer vintage anywhere. So yeah. It's nice to come inside and cool down, and then it's really misstitched and didn't match up color-wise. I had managed to sell a bracelet I liked. It was $150. I saw a lamp I liked. It was $225. I saw a wrap I liked for $130. I'm leaving and I have bought nothing. So things under $100 I think would be perfect. 100 and under. 100 and under.
Roberta.
A lot of food, a lot of drink, no restrooms. So I expect you to do. It's cute. I love these bazaars because you know why? Regardless of what they're offering, if there is anything cute, something that is your style is going to jump out at you in 2 seconds. This is wild. This is dress form. It's really cute. Cool hats over here. And Chloe, I don't know what that is. Must be a new brand. Oh, this is cute. They have painted on the jacket. Very cool.
Polishing pads that like
Takes it.
gold.
How much is that neck wire? That silver one?
This one's 75. $40. They're brass. Thank you.
Is that your only neck wire? I'm looking for one for a pendant.
I might have some more that I can do. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. A lot
I have some of these little spoon things. It's so cute to see them. Good for holiday gift giving as vintage jewelry. Here's Studio Complete. This is a new one's own brand.
Let me look for 2 seconds, Abby. Just. Wait a minute.
I have gotten rid of all of my stuff that would be out here for the most part. What is left is sitting in out.
You looking for a Skeeton Island?
Yeah.
Yeah, you big.
Some designer. All right, well that's it at the Gran Bazarr. Thank you for joining me. Bye.